snowing like crazy right now. I'm getting in the new machine. I haven't even really run this thing in the snow yet, so this will be one of my first times, so bear with me if I'm not doing a good job. So right now it's coming down probably about 2 inches an hour. Wind's blowing like crazy, so all we're doing is just trying to keep up with this stuff. So let me put you guys somewhere. I've never seen a snow like this. It's crazy. It's coming down sideways, complete whiteout. I love it though. So we're doing pretty good. We're keeping up with it. Wind's blowing like crazy. It's blowing a lot of the snow off the parking lot in spots. So it is freezing though. It's literally like 16 with the wind chills in like the negative. So we're keeping up with it. It's about 10 o'clock right now. We're just gonna keep cycling around all day. I probably have frostbite at this point. Holy crap. Whoo, it's cold. Freaking wind chill. So I had to get back in the machine. I'm freaking cold. Let's go off. So all we're doing is just going through everything, keeping it open, getting the snow off the lots and everything we can possibly do. It's not even 11 o'clock yet. We've already got over a foot, so we still got about 8 more hours to go. So they said 30 inches. It might actually happen. So yeah. So I'm gonna keep going around and get as much footage as we can.
Keep going.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Go.
All right, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
So not many updates today, but it's about 4 o'clock, just getting dark, and it's still snowing like crazy. It hasn't slowed down at all today, so we're well over 2 feet. I don't know the exact total, but it's just still coming down like crazy. So gonna be a long night, gonna be a long day tomorrow, probably a long day Monday, maybe a long day Tuesday, but it is what it is. So I know this video does absolutely no justice to how high that is. That is probably a good 3 to 4 foot snow drift right there. It's crazy out here. Snow finally stopped. It's 9 o'clock. I apologize. We have been going like crazy all day just trying to keep up with this stuff. I don't know the final totals. I mean, we're definitely well over 20 something inches. I don't know, mid 20s, give or take, but there's a lot of drifts because it's so powdery that we've been dealing with. Like I said, this is like a 4 foot drift. We've had 7-8 foot snow drifts today, so we're all exhausted, but we're gonna push through to about midnight, go take a nap or get some sleep, and then tomorrow we got a lot of snow removal and cleaning up and a lot of work to still do. So I don't know if you can even see me, I'm sorry, but yeah, that's what we're doing. I apologize, not a ton of footage today. I'm doing what I can with what we're working with, but it was a crazy day. One of the craziest storms I've ever had to work with in a while. So we had literally 40-50 mile an hour winds all day, and I mean, the snow just blowing everywhere and coming down like crazy. We had a band that came in that was like 3.5 to 4 inches an hour. So yeah, as you see, a lot of snow in these driveways. I'm focused on getting our residentials done right now. I got another truck doing a lot of our commercials. Some of the stuff, I mean, honestly, we still gonna do a final pass on a lot of our commercials, but they're not open tonight, so we're gonna do them first thing in the morning. It's just, we're just doing what we can. We're keeping up with it, very proud of the guys. I mean, honestly, this was a very tough storm, so they're calling me now, so we'll be back in a little bit.